What's the difference between experience and technology?
So an experience is what the remote participants are seeing from the meeting. So we just went through those, the group framing, presenter tracking, what do they see? Then you have the technology. So the technology is how that experience is being created within that particular product to create that experience that the remote participants see.
Which technologies have an impact on intelligent video designs?
I'd say one of the biggest technologies that have an impact on intelligent video design is going to be the difference between digital and optical zoom. So when you're looking at a solution that utilizes digital zoom, in order to get the different views, what it's doing is it's essentially going to be taking a high resolution image and cropping it to the focus point that you'll be seeing. So sometimes when you get into a much larger space, that you might see some blurry and it might not be as clear. When you're looking at an optical zoom solution, you're going to have a PTZ camera and you'll actually be able to see that camera pan, tilt, and zoom. And that zooming is going to bring the image closer and then capture it, so you're always able to see it in high resolution. And there's some trade-off there, in your smaller spaces, having these form factors that may be a video bar, or just a smaller form factor in general that have the digital zoom. Those are going to be great for your small to medium size spaces, and even some of your larger spaces as well. When you go beyond like a large conference room, beyond 30 feet, you are definitely going to be in optical zoom territory, and right in the middle, it'll be your preference.
Yeah, so my understanding the way digital zoom works is I have some sort of image and I'm going to take a small section of it and I'm going to make it larger. And in that process, I typically lose resolution and quality. Optical zoom has like actual mechanics in it that moves that image closer to the, I'll call it a camera sensor, and then you get that full resolution. Is that right?
That's perfect. So when you're looking at an intelligent video solution, you want to make sure that everyone can be seen clearly. That's one of the most common complaints that we'll see in hybrid meetings, is that they weren't able to see whoever was talking clearly. So when you're looking at your spaces that may be small to medium sized, those digital zoom solutions are going to be really great options, because you're still going to have very clear video as you crop down in those spaces. But once you get into your large, extra large spaces, in those cases, you would want to be using the optical zoom technology.